Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Hello, my name is Lisa if you're new. I have February's Maniology Mani and Me box. I wanted to share it with you and see what this month brings. And then I have these ready to go. So what I'm going to do is get gel polish on these, and then we are going to play with what's in here after we open it. I'll go through the polishes after that I'm using, but let's get into this. I'm going to give you a little snaky peek to get the party going, and then I'm going to put it over to the side here, and then we will go one by one by, you know, the usual. Okay. So of course we have, as always, keep me from moving that. So this is the Mani and Me. Does it say what it's called? Galactic Glam, is that what it is? Let me see. Just checking here, hold on. And this is the monthly box. So it doesn't say what it is, but I know what probably will is, let's go to YouTube. Because usually, Travel the Stars, Interstellar, pardon me, Interstellar is this week's, or this month's, excuse me, box. So this looks really cool. I'm excited. And then, oops, a daisy. That's not touch stuff, Lisa. It says, embrace the cosmic allure of February's Interstellar Mani, oh, it says right there, Mani and Me box, where the majestic beauty of the galaxy meets the chic sophistication of French manicures. This collection is a voyage beyond the stars, offering you the universe at your fingertips with chic, timeless French manicures and galactic accents. So these are the polishes. We have Asteroid, which is B504. It's a pale gray stamping polish with a cream finish. Then we have Deep Space, which is B505, a navy blue stamping polish with a holographic finish. For a finishing touch as radiant as the stars themselves, our bonus gift of the month includes a pack of clear rhinestones in various sizes, perfect for adding a touch of glamour. These rhinestones shine like fragments of the stars. Cool. Whoever thought of that? That's pretty cool. And then here is Blast into Space with Mani X Me's Interstellar collection. Okay, thanks, bud. Get ready to embark with cosmic style that's truly out of this world in 3, 2, 1. And then on the back, it tells you in 3 steps what you can do. Very cool. Okay, let's get into the items. I know they're stuck in here like that. So we'll just kind of, okay, there's the plates. Just dumping everything out here. There we go. Okay. So we'll go with the bonus gift here. Okay. So this is exactly what I said it was going to be. Very cool. Whoops-a-daisy. I didn't say it was perfect at opening things. I'm assuming that it's in like a, oh, it's sealed too. Yes, I'll have to find a pot for these. These are flat backs. Definitely have different, like, look, that could be a planet far away. Lowland stars. Very nice. Thank you. Maniology. What a great gift. And then 2 polishes. I know they have numbers. So just give me. Okay. And these plates are exclusive to the Mani X Me. You can't purchase these unless you belong to the subscription. They have this, which is the monthly box. And then they have the Express, I think it's called. Yep. And the difference is the monthly comes with 2 exclusive stamping polishes that will release on the site, I'm pretty sure. But the stamping plates don't. So you can get these polishes. Okay, sorry about that. Children. Aggro. So this is the first one, and this is Maniology MXM 121. So you do get this in the Express kit. It's neat because it's got light. It's got these like ground effects here, or like what could be in the atmosphere, and then stars. It's just really cool. These have planets and shooting stars there. Just some more stars. Very cool. And then this one is the MXM 122, and this is the, so this is the one for, this is the French that they were talking about, so you can see the different designs for the French. It's nice because it gives you like a bigger one and then a smaller one, which is lovely. Same with this. Oh, that's cool. The moons, the different phases. Very cool. Sun there, some sun. Butterflies. Very neat. Okay, okay. And then there's that too, which could be sideways. Sorry, ring light. Very neat. Excited to try this. Haha, cool. Okay, sorry about that. Sick children, now I'm getting sick. You know, mom's last, right? Dad never catches a dead and don't do nothing enough. How do I? Okay, let's see here. This is the polishes. They come like this. Ooh. Cool. Okay, and with Maniology, you can swatch there. So I did with the other ones. You just pick something off of here and then you swatch it. So it kind of shows you what it would look like over top black and white. Neat. Okay, so this is Asteroid. It's a nice gray. Ooh, yeah, it's pretty. That's perfect. Excellent. And this is called Deep Space. Let me give it a good look at it though. Whew. The holographic is crazy. I love it. Neat. Okay. Ooh, look at that though. It's funny because I have to remember that these are drippy, unlike the gel polishes. Oh, that's beautiful though. Oh, excellent. Well, what a great job, Maniology. Thank you so much. This box is wonderful. What I'm going to do now is I am going to move all this, pull everything that I need to start to play, and we're going to play and test everything out. So hang tight. We'll get ready in just a minute. All right. So I forgot to show you this month's sticker that I got. This is Wearing My Best Coat. Very cute. Put that in my pile. All right. So here we have 5 nails in 5 colors. We have this purple. Let me put it down. Which is Purple Era from Madame Glam. Then this green is Betsy's Glow Up. Now, this is a black, and the only black I have is this tiny 7mm from Model Ones. I haven't gotten any other blacks for some reason. And then this is a really beautiful blue. This is Mountain Walk from Nail Reserve. It's gorgeous. And then here we have Madame Glam's Midnight Kiss from their Korean collection, which is from January's collection. I'm gonna stand up. Can you see the, oh yeah, okay. Pardon me. All right. So I am going to come back. These will be, words, hard, ha! These will be peeled. I will have these done, and then we'll get to just playing around with these new ones. Hang tight. We did the sample for here as well. This one didn't quite turn out, but all right, I'm getting sick. So I think I'm going to, for the first time, just have some music in the background. I apologize. I don't feel like coughing and sneezing and you guys listening to me. So I hope this music finds you well. And I know this isn't normal, and normally I explain, but hopefully you'll be able to figure out what I'm doing. Okay, love you. I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye. realize when I was editing this, I didn't have an ending. Just dusting it. I do the last nail and I'm done. So I thought, well, I better do this before I really can't talk because I'm getting sicker. So here they are. I think they're fantastic. That one's like the Milky Way. Can I get them closer without them doing weird things? I don't know. I can't even. There we go. These plates are fantastic. Even if you look at these and think, ugh, it's the operator, not the merchandise. Can I get closer? Oh, yes, sort of. I think they're really cool. And, ooh, this color looks so good. See? Definitely love it. All right. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.